Bye, Junior. Have a good day. Be good. If you can't be good, don't be bad. Go inside. See you, buddy. Bye. Oh, poor baby. And good morning. It's been a while since I've vlogged. Today's going to be a bit of an interesting day. Need a haircut. It's getting bushy. But first, gotta pick up Lumi from violin lessons and get my hair cut. And today we're gonna go to a huge camera shop because I need an upgrade, but I can't decide whether I need a new camera or just a new lens. So we're gonna go to Camera Pro in the city, who will take me through a bunch of different cameras, different lenses, and we're going to decide whether I need a new camera or a new lens. Now, I already used the Canon 80D, and it's an amazing camera. It's great for everything that I do, but the photo quality could be better, and it's not a full frame camera. So we're going to look at the 6D Mark II and the 5D Mark IV. I was so convinced to get the 5D Mark IV, but the 6D Mark II looks really good and at the fraction of the cost. So let's check it out. And I'm back. How's my haircut? I like it. And Lumi's here.
Hello.
Are you serious? It's been a while since she's been in the vlog. Anyway, so we're at Camera Pro. Gonna get our gear and test out some new cameras and lenses. Let's get this show on the road. So I'm playing around with the Canon 6D Mark II and an 11 to 24 millimeter lens. All I can say right now is unbelievable. Really awesome. So we'll keep playing. Oh man, that was amazing. I didn't buy anything because my mind is shattered into regards to which cameras to get. So I'm looking now at a 6D Mark II and a few lenses with it as well. But I've got to do my research. I'm not gonna just go out and buy a camera, and I might not need to. The lenses I was using were fantastic, so I might just need a new lens. And I gotta go home and get ready. I'm DJing tonight. You can't come. See you soon. And we're back. And I thought you were gonna help me out packing up the car. Alright, show me your skateboarding skills. Is that it? Is that all you can do? I thought you could go upside down and flip the board and what's going on? What a waste of money. That's it? Go. Hey, no barking. See, Daddy used to be a pro skateboarder, so I know all these awesome tricks. Did you know that? No. You want to see? Yeah. Come on, you gotta record me. Do these amazing tricks.
I don't think you'll do anything well.
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Are you recording me?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What's this? Ready?
Yeah.
Did you see that?
No.
That was so fast, I went upside down and I did a triples.
No, that wasn't it.
Ready?
You can't even balance on there mostly.
I don't know how they do these stuff. I don't really. that's why kids wear gloves and helmets.
Hurry up, up, up.
Well, that was very embarrassing. Whoa.
Epic fail.
You'll put you on epic fails. Be careful with the car. Anyway, car's packed up. Got the fog machine, lasers, speakers, DJ gear. I'm about to close the trunk, so you better get out of the way.
I am home.
Come on, get out. Oh!
Stop it!
Like he got the helmet on. That was funny.
What is it?
Anyway,
Pay for it.
is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, back to it.